Hi y'all, here we are. Now we're in Nazareth, and today we're doing the workshop to the kids from Kibbutz Snir. Snir, right next to the Banya Spring that I'm sure each and every one of you got to visit. And we're doing something a little bit more special today. Instead of the mugs, since many of these kids we got to visit early this summer, long before anything happened, and they got to do the workshop of the mugs. Today we're doing something else. So today we're doing the pillow cases, so they'll have sweet dreams through and through. Okay guys, we are with Ariel and Tommy and Be'eri, and they're all drawing together and making their own personal pillowcases, so they'll have good dreams only, right? Ariel, say shalom to everyone. Tommy, Be'eri, say shalom to everyone. I think this is the most exciting part. We're taking the drawings from the kids after Avivi finished drawing his pillowcase. We're gonna put it in the scanner, and only in a few minutes Avivi will have his own pillowcase to rest his head on.